absolute beginner. Okay, so if you have never used WordPress, or you kind of have used it before but you're not quite sure really how it all works together, this is a great training for you. Okay, so the only thing that you need in this video to accomplish everything that I'm going to show you is just simply the Bluehost plan that allows you to create a WordPress website. Okay, so if you need Bluehost, you're not a member of Bluehost yet, you can click the link in the description of this video, and then actually save 50 to 75% on your plan. However, you can still use any WordPress builder and accomplish the same result. Okay, so I use Bluehost, so I'm just going to show you literally how to get started from scratch. Okay, so right now I'm inside of Bluehost and I'm in the My Sites section. I'm just going to click here to add a site. Now, if I already had one that I wanted to migrate to Bluehost, they make it really, really simple. But today we're just going to create a brand new site. So I'm going to click Create Site. And I actually showed you how to use this yesterday. Bluehost has its own really simple builder, but a lot of the times when you're using WordPress, you're using it because you need a lot of the advanced features that the simple drag and drop builders just don't have. So rather than trying to piece together, certain tools, you may as well just go full-blown WordPress and then accomplish everything that you need. Okay, so we're just going to click here to get started. Now I need to name my site. So I'm going to actually, let's see, we'll call this Bartlett Lawn Care. Okay, so this is, I actually do need to replace our lawn care website. So we'll say the best lawn care service in Whiteland. Okay, which actually we are. Okay. So I'm going to click next. And here you want to choose your domain. Okay, so right now, what I would technically want to do is choose Bartlett Lawn Care LLC, because that is our lawn care website, but I actually have another website on there. So I'm just going to kind of just choose an empty domain. So let's say I'll just choose office here. And you can leave these checked, but I'm just going to uncheck them because a lot of times you don't really need these, or you decide to use your own. So it's totally up to you. But if you're a beginner, I basically like to start from scratch. So I'm just unchecking these and I'm going to click next. So while it creates the site, it does take just a few minutes. So if you are interested in joining Vision Marketing and Design, you can go to bridgetbartlett.com, check out this video here. We do use the HighLevel suite of tools inside of our training program and for our agency. So if you just want to use the tools and get access to the training, and maybe, have the ability to add, 1 or 2 sub accounts to your Vision account, you can become a Vision member here, and there's actually a special price right now. So definitely watch this video to help you choose the best plan. If you are an experienced marketer and you want to go full in on HighLevel yourself, you can actually get a free 14-day trial and a free membership inside of Vision Marketing and Design. And if you're just not sure at all, you can click here to book a discovery call with me, and I can help you create a strategy to help you find success online. Okay, so this is taking just a few minutes here. I do want to say hello to Linwood and Floyd and Frankie and Maria. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, so it says failed to create site. I have no idea why. Let's try this here and see if it will actually create the site. This is one of the things about going live, is you just never know the things that's going to happen. Hello, Picardo. Welcome to today's training. There are a couple things. If you go to, let's see, I don't want to skip away really for too long, but if you go to Elementor, that's the builder that I'm going to show you today. If you go to elementor.visionmarketinganddesign.com, you can see the plans that they have here. There's actually a free plan I'm going to show you how to access, but Elementor is, I think, undisputably the best website builder. So if you are interested in using that, and I'll definitely show you like the difference between the free and the pro. You may not need the pro. Free might work good enough for you, and that's great. So definitely check that out if you're interested. There's also a link in the description of the video. Sorry this is taking so long, you guys. Okay. All right, so I have no idea why it is doing this. Okay. So what I'm going to do then is, man, I really wanted to show you from scratch here. Let's try this again. Okay, so let's just do Bartlett Lawn Care. And then let's just do the best in Whiteland. All right, I'm just going to speed through here and next. And we'll just leave these unchecked. I have no idea why it didn't use that. Let's try this one again because this should work. I was just testing this out a few minutes ago, and I wonder if maybe that's why it's having issues. If it doesn't create it, I'm just going to go into a website I've already created. This is a really simple part. You just click to create. It looks like there's already, okay. So let's try, man, okay. I don't want to waste your guys' time, so let's just do this, okay? That's a really simple process to actually create a website. So once you create it, we'll just go ahead and log in here, and I'll actually show you a live site here. So what you need to do, let's get in here. Sorry, guys. I really wanted to show you how to create that from scratch. I don't know why it's having issues here. Hello, Karen. Welcome. Okay. So this is actually, unfortunately, I did want to show you like a whole, a brand new site, but I'll easily tell you what to do when you first get into WordPress. Okay. It's going to look very similar to this. What you want to do is you want to go to the pages section here. Okay. Well, first of all, you'll go to posts and you'll click all posts. Now, the cool thing about WordPress is that it does have a blog builder. It was actually created essentially for a blog builder. And so what you need to do is you can actually just delete all of these posts. So you want to select them all and you can click move to trash and apply and get rid of all of those. It just comes with like dummy posts, and we can actually, we'll just do that here, move to trash. Okay. So the reason I like to delete all of that is because when you're, a lot of the hosting services that you use, they will, just throw a bunch of things in there to show you how it works and plugins and different things, but you actually don't need a lot of those things. And I think that when you do add your theme and your template, it kind of makes things confusing, especially if you're new, because you don't know like what you need and what was already there. So what I like to do is just completely delete those posts that come with it. You can go to your pages as well, and you'll want to delete all of the pages. So if, I already have this built in here, so I don't want to delete them. But if this was, I just, created this website, I would want to just click select all and then move to trash and apply. Okay. So that I have no pages here. All right. Now the next thing I'd want to do is go to plugins. And when you go to plugins, you will see all kinds of plugins that come with your, with as soon as you upload. What you want to do is delete all of those. Okay, so you're just going to do the same thing. You're going to deactivate first and then click apply, and it will deactivate them. And then, of course, you want to select them all again and then delete. Okay. The next thing you want to do is you want to go to appearance and themes. And what you want to look for is the Astra theme, okay? It is free. You'll see here's Astra. Astra has it's very user-friendly, and they have a lot of templates that you can use. So what you want to do is click Add New, and you want to search for Astra. And as soon as you do, you'll see that it comes up here. And then you can actually, if you click Details, you'll see here. Let's see where you can actually get in. So let's go to So once you download or you install Astra, okay, this is the theme that you're going to be using, okay? One of the plugins that you need to have, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm all over the place now because I couldn't actually create this. I just want to make sure that I'm telling you everything that you need. One of the plugins that you need is Elementor, okay? So you go to plugins, you can go to add new. Now keep in mind, we haven't, we deleted all of our plugins. As soon as you install this and you choose a template, it may automatically add Elementor, but if it doesn't, what you need to do is just go to search your plugins and you can look for Elementor. And they do have a free version here. So it will come up. Okay, so Elementor is the builder that we're going to use. Okay, so this is just the free builder. You're going to see where it says install now. It'll say install now, and then you can activate it. And then to see that plugin, you can just go here to installed plugins. Okay, so right now, when you first start, you really just need Elementor. I like to have Yoast as well. There's a couple good ones, but don't go crazy on your plugins because, you don't really need a lot of plugins. So I know it's tempting sometimes, but you really don't need to go crazy. Just get Elementor, maybe Yoast. There's an internet security one, but I'll show you those things tomorrow. There's also a way to integrate HighLevel, and I really want to show you that as well, since that's the platform that we use in the training program and in our agency. So I definitely want to show you all the ways that you can integrate HighLevel, and I'm going to do that tomorrow. But today I really just want to show you how to get this set up, okay? So once you've deleted all the pages, you've deleted all of the posts, okay? And then you have deleted all the plugins. You've added Elementor, you've added maybe Yoast, and then what you need to do is go to themes, okay? Or let's see, templates. So I really wanted to show you, we go customize. Okay. Oh, okay. Any day. Okay, I didn't really want to show you this yet. So I'm going to X out of here. Oh. Okay. All right, so I'm going to show you that in just a second. Okay, so just to give you an overview, so here's your dashboard. Here are the posts. Now, when you see posts, keep in mind, posts means like blog posts, okay? So that's what a post is. You have your blog, you have your categories. So just think when you see blog, or when you see posts, that's blog, okay? You have your media library here. So if you need to update or upload videos or images and things like that, you also have all of your pages here. So all the pages to your website will show up here. And since we're using Elementor, if you want to edit the page with Elementor, here's where you want to click, okay? Same with the blog and all this. So you can see I've already chosen a theme here. You have your comments section. You see I already have lead connector connected, and I'll show you that tomorrow. So what you need to do, though, is you need to choose a theme, okay? So if you go to themes and you choose the Astra theme, you'll see that you have all of these starter templates, okay? And that comes with the Astra theme. And this is what I was really excited to show you because there are tons of templates, and a lot of them are free. So if you're using Elementor, you can just through here, you'll see that it will actually say premium on the ones that are paid, but any of the other ones are totally free. So you can see they actually have really, really great quality websites like Business Consulting Firm. If you look here, you can actually see what it looks like here. So really nice website here. If you want to see the other pages, you can just click through here. Once you find one that suits your needs, then it's really easily customizable, okay? And of course, since we chose the themes or the templates that are using Elementor, it's really easy to edit. Okay, so I want to actually get out of here, and I'm going to show you one that I actually already started. So I'm just going to X out of here. Exit and go to the dashboard. All right. So we talked about the themes. So let's actually talk about getting in there and editing. Okay. So we're not really worried so much about like the forms and things like that because we use HighLevel and we want to utilize all of the cool things about HighLevel inside of our WordPress website, right? So I'm just going to go to all pages. And let's start with the home page. Okay, so I'm going to click here. I want to edit the home page, so I'm going to click Edit Elementor. And now it's going to load my home page. You guys can get like a sneak peek of the new website I'm working on. See what you think. I think it's really coming out really cool. Okay, so here is basically the front panel. This was just a template that I chose, and I'll scroll down here. This is basically you know what I am working on right now. So we have all of the tools and everything here. Super super cool. Okay, so let's now I want to show you how to edit. Okay, so let's say that I just want to change this wording here. Okay, so all I need to do is if I just wanted to type here, this is great, right? So, I mean, this is basically, the Elementor is basically the same type of editing as HighLevel. Okay, or ClickFunnels or any of those websites, the web builders, they actually they take all of the same processes and everything and pretty much duplicate it when they're recreating web builders because Elementor is the most popular and the most probably recommended by web designers. Okay, so very, very simple. If I wanted to edit this button here, I just want to click on the button. You can click here if you want to. You'll see that you have the default. You can change the text here. You can add a link. You can do the alignment, the size. I mean, so many things that you can do. Okay, if you mess up and you want to go back and choose one in your history, you can do that as well. You want to swap out images, you just click here and then you choose the new image. If you want to add new panels, you could click here and add a new panel. You could click here. Let's say I wanted 3 columns. I could do that and then click here and then I can add any of these things. Okay. Now you'll see here, if you have the free Elementor, these are the options that you have, which are really a lot of great options. Honestly, I built most of this website before upgrading to the Pro. But when you look at these other options here, you can see why. I mean, besides the templates and a lot of other features, you can save things as global if you have Pro. So, create membership areas and things. Of course, we have that with HighLevel. So a lot of these things you don't necessarily need when it comes to like, the membership area and things, but animated headlines and price tables, and you just have a lot more features. And if you go to my website here and you scroll down, you can actually either for one website for $49 a year, or if you have, you can do $99 a year for 3 websites, or if you want up to 25 websites, it's $199 a year. So that's really not crazy expensive, to be honest, for what you get. But it's totally up to you and whatever plan suits your business best. You have the Facebook button, Facebook comments. You can actually embed your Facebook here. So lots of really cool options here. But under the Pro section, this is what is actually the Pro features. But you get all of these for free. Okay, so you get the basic here, and then these general functions as well just come with the free. Okay, so just so you know, all of those things are possibilities. All right, so as you scroll down here, like, let me just delete this. All right, so as you scroll down here, you can embed videos. You see, all of these blocks and different things. So I mean, I'm not going to spend too much time on the editing part because it's the basic editor, just like any other web design tool. Okay. So let's actually go back to the dashboard now. I'm going to click leave. Okay, and let's go back here. And I did want to show you with Yoast, Okay. Yoast is another plugin here. Let me just do installed plugin so I can show you. Yoast is something that almost everyone will recommend to you as far as plugins go, because Yoast helps you a lot with the SEO. And when you see, like, if you go to your pages here, here's Yoast. It's actually called Yoast SEO, and it is free. They do have a premium plan, but it's really great when it comes to, like I said, the SEO, because let me just type in, so I'll go to edit. And when you click edit, you'll see this section down here. Okay, so you can actually type in like key phrases, like maybe if I just wanted to type in like digital marketing or whatever I really wanted to rank for, I could type that in here. And then it will show me, you know, when this website is being searched about. So this is the about page, right? So it's going to show me what that headline on Google or Yahoo, what that's going to look like. And then I can actually change, if I wanted to change the slug, meaning like what the page was called, I could do that. I could add a meta description, which is this information here. And it'll actually grade me too and let me know, like, hey, you're getting like a little red sad face, and it tells you, you know, how to fix those things so that you can improve your SEO. Okay. So that's really important when you're building out your pages. And it's a lot easier when you do it as you're building than it is to go back and try to build everything again. So that's just from my experience. So you also have ultimate social media. So this is another plugin that you may want to use. It helps you basically with the share images and things like that. Like the Pinterest description, Twitter, and I don't know what this, oh, it looks like Facebook, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. So again, you may not need that, but definitely Yoast and Elementor, the two best plugins that you can definitely get. And then of course the Astra theme. Okay. And Astra has a, they do have like a pro plan, but honestly, you have everything that you need in the free plan. So there is one more thing that I did want to show you. If you go to edit with Elementor, so if I wanted to edit my about page, I would click edit with Elementor. And then you have, when you use that Astra theme, you have some extra options. So if I scroll down here and say I wanted to add a section, okay, so I could click here for the starter templates, and I could add any of these templates into this website if I wanted to, but you also have the blocks here, okay, so this is really cool. So sometimes you're working on a website and you're like, oh, you know, I need a contact form, or I need, you know, maybe a testimonial, or I just need a block with some, you know, like a FAQ section, or, you know, maybe you want like a section like this. Now, of course, it's going to be like generic. You'll have to customize it and brand it, but having the ability to just click on the blocks and then pull one of these in, super cool. So I'll show you that. Like, let's say that I had, you know, a featured section here. Maybe I wanted to choose this one. So I could just click there, and then I can choose import block, and then it will actually import it for me and then add it to my website here. Okay, so then, you know, I can just start editing and do whatever I want to. If I decide that I don't want it, I can just delete. Okay, so we'll definitely do a lot more training on WordPress and things like that, but I just wanted to, I had really hoped to, you know, walk you through the creation and deleting everything, and then, you know, installing the themes and things like that. But unfortunately, for some reason, my computer was not cooperating with me. So I'm so sorry. But that is really everything that you need to know to get started. Now, tomorrow, I'm going to show you how, and I can actually go back here. I want to show you how to install the lead connector app that we have with HighLevel, or, you know, if you're a Vision member, you can use the same thing. You don't have to have a HighLevel account, because if you are in Vision Marketing and Design, your account is a HighLevel account. So what you would want to do is go to plugins, and you would want to go to add new. And when you go to add new, you click here, add new, and then you can search your plugins. And if you search lead connector, it's no space, by the way, lead connector, you'll see right here. Okay, so this is going to allow us to pull in the chat widget that we have inside of our accounts. So that's really cool because you can, add it to the screen. So I'll show you in just a second. You can add that. But what else is cool is when you connect that, it will actually pull in all of your funnels and you can just embed them. So if you wanted a WordPress site, but you wanted, your funnel to be inside of your WordPress website, you can basically iframe it and it looks beautiful. Okay, so I do want to show you if we go to pages here. I do want to pull one of these up. We'll just pull up the home page here. And you'll see right here, that is the chat widget that we have inside of our accounts. So when you connect the lead connector, it will also pull that in so that you can utilize this. So everything that you can do in WordPress, we can integrate our high-level tools into the WordPress site, and it's really seamless and beautiful. So definitely, I will show you all of that tomorrow. So thank you so much, you guys. I'm so sorry that I couldn't show you like from the straight beginning. I'd really hoped to be able to do that, but unfortunately, that's just the way things go when you do live training. So again, if you want to join Visual Marketing and Design, you can go to bridgetbartlett.com, check out this video, and see which plan works best for you. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Go make your vision a reality.